Alright, if you're using the ASUS TUF VG259QM and want the best competitive settings for faster reaction time and clearer enemies, this guide will set everything up step by step for 2026. We'll focus on visibility, motion clarity, and lowest input delay. In competitive games, you don't want cinematic colors, you want clarity. The goal is sharper motion, reduced blur, and maximum responsiveness so enemies stand out instantly. First, make sure the monitor runs at its highest refresh rate. Open Windows Display Settings, go to Advanced Display, and select 280 Hz. Next, press the joystick behind the monitor to open the menu. Go to Gaming Settings and turn on ELMB SYNC. This reduces motion blur while keeping gameplay smooth. Now set overdrive to level 60. This gives faster pixel response without adding noticeable ghosting. Keep adaptive sync enabled. This removes screen tearing and keeps motion consistent during fast fights. Switch picture mode to racing mode, then adjust brightness to around 90, contrast to 80, and lower saturation slightly so enemies pop more against the background. Turn shadow boost to level 2 or 3. This brightens dark areas without washing out the entire screen, perfect for spotting enemies hiding in shadows. Here are the best competitive settings: ELMB SYNC on, refresh rate 280 Hz, overdrive 60, adaptive sync enabled, racing mode, brightness around 90, and shadow boost level 2 or 3. For best results, keep your FPS close to your refresh rate and disable heavy motion blur settings inside games. Small tweaks like this can seriously improve reaction time. And yeah, that's it. Your ASUS TUF VG259QM is now fully optimized for competitive gaming in 2026. If this helped, drop a like and check the channel for more quick optimization guides.